Lucidchart is a popular diagramming and visual collaboration tool designed to help teams create flowcharts, diagrams, wireframes, and more. Whether you're a designer, developer, business analyst, or educator, Lucidchart provides a simple and intuitive platform to visualize ideas and collaborate in real time. Getting started with Lucidchart. Sign up. Visit the Lucidchart website and create a free account or choose a subscription plan for additional features. Installation. Lucidchart is available as a web-based tool and has integrations with popular applications like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. Interface overview. Canvas, the main workspace where you create and design diagrams. Shape library, a wide variety of pre-built shapes and templates for different types of diagrams. Tools, found in the sidebar, offering options like text, connectors, alignment tools, and more. Collaborative features, real-time editing, commenting, and sharing capabilities. Creating diagrams. Start a new document. Select new diagram to create a blank canvas or choose from available templates. Add shapes and objects. Drag and drop shapes from the shape library onto the canvas. Connect them with lines or arrows using the connection tool. Text and annotations. Add text to shapes and add annotations to explain specific parts of your diagram. Customization and formatting. Adjust properties. Customize the color, font, line style, and size of shapes and connectors. Layers and groups. Organize complex diagrams by creating groups or adjusting layers for easier navigation. Collaborative work. Invite team members to collaborate in real time and track changes through version history. Sharing and exporting. Sharing. Share diagrams with colleagues via email or generate a shareable link. You can also control viewing and editing permissions. Export options. Save diagrams as PDFs, images, or embed them directly into other applications like Google Docs or PowerPoint.